Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 31st, 2024, and we're going down with the market. We're looking for about a dollar drop.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. Since we got here very violently and we didn't really have any retraces, I expect the price to go all the way down to the low of the day from yesterday right here, and then we'll decide on whether we're going to take profits at that point. Now that we have time and we're in profits, inverted H, inverted H, inverted H, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. 555, inverted H, moving average bounce, slingshot. And here's the retracement we were looking for. Impulse, correct, impulse. Since the price didn't hold up at the $450.25 level, what we'll do is we'll close out when the price gets close to $450.
Order filled.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, over a $2 drop. Now this can continue to drop or it might turn around. It doesn't matter. Hit your targets and close out.